Alright, it's time to go ahead and set up our journal for our next unit. So the very last thing you have from last unit is this plate boundary notes on 10 and 11. We're going to go ahead and flip to 12. This is where you should glue in your tracking chart from last unit, Unit 8. Okay, so remember we can just fold it in half, put glue on one side. If you're using liquid glue, be careful because we don't want to glue our journal shut. And there's your tracking chart on page 12. We'll go ahead and set up our new unit right next to it. We're actually combining units 9 and 10. They're both about the study of living things or biology. So we went ahead and just put those together. So it'll be one unit in Schoology and in the work that we do. So our title here is Units 9 and 10, Biology. We can set up our date, our title, and way over here our page number. Okay, I'll give you a sticker when I see you again tomorrow. We can add that to our first page. If you flip on the right side page, that's going to be page number 1. You need to get a Venn diagram. Okay, a Venn diagram is what we use to compare two things. We'll be talking about two types of cells. So you're going to get it. Might not quite have room for a title just because of how big the page is. If it's not already cut down, go ahead and cut it down so that it fits onto this page. And this is going to go on page 1. So we have our Venn diagram on page 1. Pages 2 and 3 you'll do with me at the teacher station either Wednesday or Thursday of this week. We can go ahead and label those, put a title. Page 2 is called prokaryotic cell, and page 3 is called eukaryotic cell. Okay. Then page 4, this is where you will take notes for pit stop A and pit stop B in stop number 1. The page is also already cut down for you. Okay, so that got covered up. Page 4, and then page 5 will finish later this week. So you should have your pages numbered up to page 5. These are the notes that you'll start as soon as you finish this video. You should have already done your pretest. Your journal is set up. You can move into the notes for pit stop A, and that will be the top half. Pit stop B, the bottom half. Stop number 1 is due this Friday, April 26th.